Hi everyone, it's Ice Dragon Cosplay and 'tis the season for a tutorial on Miss Fortune's candy cane guns. Yay! So the nice thing about this project was it was fairly cheap, pretty straightforward. It's not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to kind of get the basics down. I based her guns more off of the original, not like the new one with all the little fancy bells and whistles, though I did make them bigger like the new ones because I feel like Miss Fortune should have big guns. So yeah. Well, as always, please don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. It means a lot. And go check out my Facebook page if you like my works. So I guess let's just jump right into it.
Okay, so we're going to start out. You need acrylic, gesso, I don't know how to say it. You're going to need paintbrushes. You're going to need your cat helper, who's not very helpful. And then this is the important part. You're going to need a tube. And these are actually, this was a shipping tube I got from my job. You can get them like at Fred Meyer's, Walmart, any posting place, yada yada. I went with the one that was pretty big. It's like 4 inches in diameter, as you can see. Yes. And you're gonna need red paint. I went with spray paint because I'm lazy and didn't have much time. Masking tape. You're also gonna need painter's tape, which I didn't show you. That's the blue stuff. Okay, and then you're gonna need this. This is styrofoam. It comes in a, you can get it at Walmart. It comes in a circle. I had already cut it before the video. So you're gonna take your circle and cut it 4 times into 4 equal pieces. And then you're just going to tape 2 pieces together, which I found was perfect for these size tubes. You may not need as, big of a piece with a smaller tube. Like I said though, I wanted to make her guns really ridiculously big. I don't know. Like all the times I play Miss Fortune, that's what her guns look like. And yeah, I play her a little too much. Now we're just going to shove it into the end of your tube that you choose. I chose the part that I had cut because it's a little rough. And you just want to make sure it's equal all the way around. Now we're going to get our masking tape. I actually forgot to video this, but you can see I stuffed some like tissue paper into the little holes in the top and bottom. And that's going to help you when you're taping it. I did a lovely job there of getting my tape. And we're just going to start masking taping it. You only need to do the styrofoam part and where it attaches to the cardboard. And basically just alternate between horizontal and vertical lines. That's going to make it a lot more solid for you, and it's going to make it look a little better. And here it is, all taped. Yay! See, you can see that it's just covering the styrofoam and the base where it attaches. Now, if you have more time, you can certainly paper mache your whole gun. Like I said, I just did not have time. I've been so busy. I really wanted to get this done for sometime before Christmas. So now we're just going to paint it all with gesso. Yay, look at that. This is 2 coats of gesso on here. And now comes the fun part. This is our painter's tape. It's very important you go with painter's tape. Just about strips about this long. I started on the top, kind of in the middle, and you're just going to tape them sideways. This is going to be where our white stripes are. The candy canes are, well, what do you call it? Like they're spirally? Whatever. I was just eyeballing this. You could get even really technical and measure it all out. This is just to show you the basics of how to make it. And now I'm going to show you why you want to use painter's tape. See how like they're lining up, but I'm not like super happy with the way they're lining up. Or if you're not, you can always remove the painter's tape. Was really nice about it, because that's what painter's tape is for. See, look, like I'm not happy with this, and I'm just gonna show how you can very delicately peel it. See, no damage. Now I'm just gonna fix it. Ta-da! And here I've gotten the top all done, and you're gonna start with the bottom by attaching the lines. This is gonna finish off the spiral. This is why I started with the top, because to me the bottom's not as important. I mean, you want it to have the lines, but it doesn't have to be like super, super specific. I just took it all the way to the end of the gun. Gotta finish it all off. See? Like I said, you can definitely be much more specific and detail-oriented than I am. I just did not have enough time. Oh well. Alright, so once you get it all taped up and everything, you're gonna get your red paint, if you choose to spray paint, whatever acrylic, blah 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 blah. And once you get it fully taped and you're happy, go ahead and paint it. Ta-da! Now as you can see, some of the red paint bled into the white, and this is very easily fixed. I'm just gonna pretty much take my gesso. Gesso? I don't know how to say. I think it's gesso. And just get a nice thin paintbrush, and I'm just gonna hand paint it to kind of tidy it up. It covers it really nicely, which is why I just went back to the gesso. Alright, once everything's painted, it's time for the final touches. I used a sparkly green ribbon that had the, you know, the bendable metal in it. And I'm just hot gluing it to keep it in place. You can use whatever ribbon you want. I'm also sorry I didn't film this part very well, but oh.
Alright everyone, so have a good rest of your year. I will not be posting any more videos for the rest of 2018 just because I don't have time. So happy holidays, and as always, if you have any questions, leave a comment in the video.